All right, so now we're gonna be using a massage gun on our deltoid muscle. In this particular case, I'm gonna be using the C2 massage gun by Bob and Brad. I left a link in the description if you want one for yourself. Now in this particular case, I'm gonna be using the flathead because it covers a wider area, just making my life that much easier than using something small like the bullet piece. Now I'll turn on the massage gun, then get it right into the deltoid muscle, shoulder cap. I'm gonna start from the front. And I'm gonna work my way back. You might have to move your hand along to a slightly different grip if you need to get a little more length as you move into the back area. But then you do that for no more than 20 seconds. Switch off to the other side, get in that comfortable position, and then I like to go front to back, but you can also go back to front if you just like doing things that way. Get that nice and brief. Remember the warm-ups are short, so no more than 20 seconds. Then move on to the next thing because you'll have just warmed up the deltoids with a massage gun.